This was the end of the vacancy requisition part of this process. I will now log on as the HR and start doing the editing and the publishing of the vacancy. I logged on as HR now, and because the second process is the editing and publishing of the vacancy. This can also be broken down into 2 steps. Let's start with the editing of the vacancy. In the management component, the recruitment grid will be available. Here we can see all approved vacancies. The grid also allows easy access to the candidates and the current status of the applicants. We will look at this more in depth in the final process. Here we can see the researcher position that we just requisitioned. In order for us to publish the vacant position, it needs to be enriched with more data. In order to do this, I will click on the job title. This will open up a new screen in which I need to enrich the data. When opening the position, you will see a few tabs that we need to complete. This is the general information of the position. The particulars, such as the department and location of the vacancy. Here you can also view the job description. The Documents tab will have the original vacancy requisition document. You will notice that there is an option to include a questionnaire. This would typically be a short survey type form that applicants need to complete to help with the sifting process. The notes are for your own use, and you can type notes specific to this position. Once you're happy with the information that you completed, click on Save and then click on Submit. The second part of this process is the publishing part. As you can see, the vacancy is set to sourcing, but the position is not yet published. Once it is published, you will be able to see that it is published on the website, on the job board, at the agency or internal. We will now publish this to the website as well as internally. Once I go back to this screen, we will now see that it is published on the website as well as internal. That was the end of the editing and publishing part of this process.